Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how you can make a really quick, simple activity for your baby using things that you've already got around your home. For this you will need a piece of thick cardboard or a Tupperware lid if you want something a bit sturdier, some scissors and some bits of material that are all different shapes, sizes and textures. I've got a piece of ribbon, some wool, some pipe cleaners and a bit of old fabric that I found. And then you want to poke some holes in your cardboard and take your material, post it through the hole, tie a knot in one end and then a knot in the other end so that your baby can't pull it all the way through. And there you have a really quick, easy activity for your baby which will help them improve their fine motor skills, build the little muscles in their hands when they grip hold of the materials, and their gross motor skills, which is their larger movements when they're pulling them through. And it provides a really good sensory activity as they explore all the different textures